The line goes by a lot of popular spots, including Sequiota Park, Galloway, the Nature Center, and even Lake Springfield. Work is set to begin next year on a plan to replace the trains with people out for a walk, run, or a bike ride.
We love this area. We love the trails.
What was once a quiet little corner of the city has become a quaint new destination.
We knew that this area could have potentially a lot of foot traffic. Being close to the park was a big draw. It's just a beautiful part of town. And
the Galloway neighborhood is seeing new businesses moving in, places like Culture Flop.
And we were lucky to be some of the first ones down here once that boom started.
The area is bisected by these weed-covered train tracks, which lead to the old James River Power Station. In recent times, the sole reason for this line was for coal trains running to the plant. The facility is now closed, and the trains long gone, but the route is not fading into history.
And it gives people choices and options, and we are utilizing this old railroad route as inspiration to help us put together this corridor that's going to be for folks to bicycle and walk and rollerblade and just have all sorts of fun.
The tracks will be taken out, replaced by the Chadwick Flyer Trail, named for the original steam train that ran through here.
So imagine leaving Galloway Village and all of those cool shops, then crossing over the James River, going by the lake.
Ozark Greenways is working with city utilities to convert the section near the power plant. And the city of Springfield is working with BNSF Railway for the section through Galloway toward Lake Springfield.
Oftentimes, many of our transportation corridors are focused on moving the greatest number of cars as quickly as possible. And this will be a way for folks to travel at their own pace in nature.
And that trail will actually eventually keep going. Now, up until the 1980s, that railway went beyond the power plant, ending up at an old feed mill in downtown Ozark. That place is now Johnny Morris's brand new Finley Farms attraction. The city of Ozark is working to build its own section of that rail trail, connecting to the one that'll be built out of Springfield.